Unlocking $10,000, the ultimate savings blueprint. Saving $10,000 sounds like fantasy when your bank account looks more like a ghost town. We've all been there, staring at that number, wondering if we'll ever escape the paycheck-to-paycheck cycle. But what if I told you that, with the right strategy, you could transform your financial reality in just 3 months? This isn't another generic money-saving guide filled with useless advice like cutting out lattes. This is a battle-tested, step-by-step blueprint that has helped thousands of people break free from financial stress. The average American saves less than 5% of their income, leaving most people one emergency away from financial disaster. But you're different. By the end of this video, you'll have a proven roadmap to save $10,000 faster than you ever thought possible. Let's get started. Look, we're all carrying around mini supercomputers in our pockets. And these things are capable of way more than just scrolling through social media. The gig economy is booming, and it's offering unprecedented opportunities to generate cash quickly, on your own terms. Think about it. What skills do you have that others might pay for? Maybe you're a whiz at graphic design, a coding guru, or maybe you just have a knack for writing killer website copy. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Guru connect freelancers with clients all over the world, and the earning potential is huge. The average freelancer earns $21 per hour, with top performers hitting 100+ hourly rates. You choose the projects you want to work on, set your own hours, and build a side hustle that fits your lifestyle. So are you ready to unleash your inner entrepreneur and unlock your hidden income potential? Now let's talk strategy. I know it can feel overwhelming trying to navigate the gig economy, but trust me, it's easier than you think. Remember those platforms I mentioned earlier, Upwork, Fiverr, Guru? These are your new best friends. Think of them as digital marketplaces, where businesses and individuals post projects they need help with. The key is to identify your strengths and focus on high-demand skills. Right now, the hottest areas include technical writing, digital marketing, graphic design, web development, and virtual assistants. Once you've honed in on your niche, it's all about creating a killer profile that showcases your skills and experience. Highlight your accomplishments, showcase your portfolio, and make sure your rates reflect your value. Delivering exceptional work and exceeding client expectations is the fastest way to build a stellar reputation and command top dollar for your services. Let's be real, we've all got stuff lying around our houses that we never use, clothes that still have the tags on them, electronics gathering dust in the back of the closet, maybe even some vintage treasures from your grandma's attic. Well, guess what? One person's trash is literally your $10,000 treasure. The reselling market is booming, and it's easier than ever to turn your unused items into immediate cash. Platforms like Facebook Marketplace, eBay, and Poshmark are your new best friends. These online marketplaces connect buyers and sellers, making it incredibly simple to list and sell your items. High-quality photos, detailed descriptions, and competitive pricing can make all the difference. Remember, you're running a business here, even if it's just from your living room. So before you toss that old iPhone or vintage handbag, do your research. You might be sitting on a gold mine. Now, I know what you're thinking, micro tasks. How much can I really make doing those? And it's true, individual tasks on platforms like Amazon, Mechanical Turk, Clickworker, and Appen might only pay a few cents or dollars each. But here's the thing, it's all about volume and strategy. Savvy users who treat this like a side hustle, dedicating a few hours each day or week, report earning $500 to $1,000 per month. So what kind of tasks are we talking about? Well, it can be anything from data entry and image tagging to transcription and survey participation. The key is to be efficient. Focus on tasks that pay well for your time, and develop a system for completing them quickly and accurately. And remember, consistency is key. We live in a world of instant gratification, and that means big business for delivery and rideshare services. Platforms like DoorDash, Uber, Instacart, and Grubhub are always looking for drivers and shoppers, and you can leverage this demand to your advantage. The key is to treat this like a business, not just a side gig. Create accounts on multiple platforms and strategically choose your hours and locations to maximize your earning potential. Peak times, like evenings and weekends, generally offer higher rates and more frequent orders. Invest in a phone mount and a portable charger to ensure a smooth and efficient experience. And remember, safety first. Always be aware of your surroundings and take precautions when picking up and dropping off passengers or deliveries. Are you a math whiz, a history buff? Maybe you're fluent in another language or have a knack for explaining complex concepts in a way that's easy to understand. If so, online tutoring and skill sharing could be your ticket to financial freedom. Platforms like VIPKid, Chegg and Udemy connect you with students of all ages who are eager to learn. Teaching English as a second language, ESL, is a particularly lucrative niche, with online platforms like Italki and Verbling offering competitive rates. The key is to identify your strengths, research the market, and create high-quality content that meets the needs of your target audience. And remember, good communication and a passion for teaching can make all the difference in the world. You can't outrun a bad budget no matter how much side hustle income you generate. It's time to face the music and get serious about cutting expenses. I'm talking about a financial detox, a complete overhaul of your spending habits. First up, we're conducting a ruthless expense audit. Print out your bank statements for the past 3 months and grab a highlighter. Go through every single transaction, highlighting anything that makes you cringe or seems even remotely unnecessary. Be honest with yourself. Do you really need that daily latte? Was that impulse Amazon purchase really worth it? Next, it's time for a subscription massacre. Streaming services, gym memberships, meal kit subscriptions, these recurring charges can quietly drain your bank account without you even realizing it. Go through each one and ask yourself, do I actually use this? Does it bring me joy or value? If the answer is no, it's time to hit the cancel button. Remember, we're not just trimming the fat here, we're going for a full-blown financial transformation. The zero-based budgeting revolution. Traditional budgeting, it's broken, it's passive, it's reactive, and let's be honest, it just doesn't work for most people. That's why we're ditching the old ways and embracing the power of zero-based budgeting. Here's the idea. Every single dollar you earn has a job to do. You're not just tracking your spending after the fact, you're proactively allocating every dollar to a specific category. Rent, groceries, transportation, savings, fun money, you name it. Start by calculating your monthly income. Then list out all of your expenses, from the essential to the discretionary. The goal is to assign every dollar a category until you reach zero. This level of awareness is incredibly empowering and can have a profound impact on your financial well-being. Debt elimination, Accelerator, debt. It's the financial albatross around our necks, the silent killer of dreams and financial freedom. But here's the good news. You can break free from its grip. It's time to shift from defense to offense and accelerate your debt repayment journey. The debt snowball method is a popular and effective approach. List out all of your debts from smallest to largest, regardless of interest rates. Then, focus all of your extra cash flow on attacking the smallest debt first, while making minimum payments on everything else. Once that first debt is eliminated, roll the amount you were paying towards it onto the next smallest debt, creating a snowball effect that gains momentum as you go. This strategy is psychologically powerful, as it provides quick wins that keep you motivated and on track. Remember, every payment you make brings you one step closer to financial freedom. Investment and passive income boost. Now, let's talk about putting your money to work for you. Investing might seem intimidating, especially if you're new to the game, but it doesn't have to be complicated. Thanks to technology, there are now countless apps and platforms that make investing accessible to everyone, regardless of income or experience. Micro-investing apps like Acorns and Stash allow you to invest your spare change automatically, rounding up your purchases to the nearest dollar and investing the difference. High-yield savings accounts, offered by online banks like Ally and Marcus by Goldman Sachs, offer significantly higher interest rates than traditional brick-and-mortar banks. While the returns might not be as impressive as the stock market, they're a safe and reliable way to grow your money over time. And then there's passive income, the holy grail of financial freedom. Other options include creating and selling ebooks, affiliate marketing, and investing in dividend-paying stocks. Remember, building wealth takes time and effort, but the rewards are well worth it. Your $10,000 journey starts now. So, there you have it. The ultimate blueprint for unlocking $10,000 and transforming your financial life. Remember, this isn't about magic, it's about strategy, discipline, and taking massive action. You have everything you need right now to make this happen. So what are you waiting for? Get out there and make it happen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more great content.